Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can layer images in Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find the home section, this device, via Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, and so on. And here in the center of your screen, you're going to find the option to source a new project. You can open from your computer. Here you're going to find the templates and lastly the option to install Photopea. So right now, I'm going to click on your project. Once you click on your project, you're going to be right here. So basically guys, here you can choose a name for your project. Here you can choose the width, the height, and also the DPI. And right here, you're going to find the option to choose a background for your project. Right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to choose a size for your image. So right now I'm going to go to screen and I'm going to choose this size. Once you choose your size, go ahead and click on create and then you're going to be right here. So basically guys, once you're here, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your image. So right now, firstly, I'm going to add an image. In order to do that, go ahead and click on File, then click on Open. Then right here, go ahead and choose an image from your computer. So I'm going to choose this image, for example. As you can see, guys, this is the first layer. So right now, in order to add a layer, all you need to do, guys, is go here to the bottom. Right here, you're going to find new layer. Go ahead and click on it. And then a new layer will be created. And if you want to add an image as a layer, go ahead and click on File, then click on Open and Place, and then choose the image you want to add, and it will be added as a layer. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.